unang talagang haligi ng Tribe of Jet, plus yung mga sumunod and yung mga newcomers, we really welcome you to the group. Yun nga, ilan lang tayo ngayon. I'm sure, di ba, mas marami pa tayo, pero medyo busy na, ang dami ng trabaho, and Monday bukas, and may school. But anyway, I really want to thank each and every one of you for, yung effort nyo na pumunta talaga dito. Yung mga committee, yung tumulong, yung kanina alas 3, andito na, yung naghakot, nagkabit ng lahat-lahat. I just want to thank you. Yung sinabi ni Haji kanina, na, sobra akong naiilang na tawagin fan club. As much as possible, hindi ko talaga magamit yung word kasi I treat each and every one of you as friends and family. Again, thank you very much. In behalf of my family in Iloilo, gusto kong may pasalamatan for the support. Alam niyo na, mag-isa lang ako dito. And of course, Tita Annie, Tito Jerry, Abby Ding, they're my family here. And kayong lahat, pamilya ko dito. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagpakita niyo ng suporta ninyo kasi kayo yung strength ko, kayo kumbaga yung fuel ko. Kung wala kayo, siguro walang Jet Manila. So, thank you very much. And yun nga, as always na sinasabi ko, as long as nandyan kayo, andito lang ako para sa inyo. So, thank you very much. I dedicate all my albums, my concerts sa inyong lahat. So, thank you and till the next anniversary. Maraming salamat po.